The old house. The house was the same, bookshelves lined with dusty encyclopedias, black and white cricket photos, a carefully folded newspaper on the table. His father, Mr. Suresh Verma, was thinner, slower, but his eyes still had that familiar sharpness. They exchanged a few awkward pleasantries. Neither mentioned the past. Part 3. A Photo Album. One evening, Ravi stumbled upon an old album. It had photos of his childhood, one with him holding a cricket bat, another with his first trophy. His father stood beside him in most of them, always serious, never smiling. But Ravi noticed something new in those pictures now, a quiet pride in his father's eyes. Part 4. Unspoken Words. At dinner, Ravi finally spoke. "You were always hard on me." Suresh paused. "I was hard because the world is harder." Ravi nodded slowly. "But I wasn't the world. I was your son." A silence lingered, not angry, just heavy. Then his father surprised him. "I made mistakes, Ravi." Part 5. The Cricket Field. The next morning, Suresh asked, "Will you take me to the old field?" Ravi was stunned. His father hadn't visited that place in years. They walked together slowly. The field was overgrown, the boundary lines faint, but the memories were still alive. Part 6. Remembering the Six. They sat on a broken bench. Suresh looked at the pitch. "Do you remember your first six here?" Ravi blinked. "You remember that?" "I never forgot," Suresh whispered. "You made me proud that day. I just didn't know how to say it." Part 7. The Challenge. Ravi found an old bat leaning near the shed. He dusted it off, held it like he used to as a boy. "One last match?" He grinned. Suresh's eyes lit up, almost boyishly. "Only if I get to bowl." And so, father and son took their positions, like old times, but with new hearts. Part 8. The Game Begins. Suresh bowled gently. Ravi hit the ball softly. They laughed. Every ball wasn't about winning, it was about connection. Every run wasn't measured on a scoreboard, but in smiles. With each delivery, years of silence melted away. Part 9. A Moment of Peace. They sat on the grass afterward, tired but content. "I thought you didn't care," Ravi said. "I always cared," Suresh replied. "I just showed it badly." "I always looked for your approval," Ravi said quietly. "You always had it," came the soft reply. Part